Good morning, students. It is a continuation class to the previous class. I am Murali, your science teacher. In the previous class, we studied matter. What is matter? Once again, let me say, matter is a material which has mass and occupies space. Matter is a material which has mass and occupies volume. Space means volume, which occupies volume. That is matter, and already I told you it exists in three states. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solid, liquid, and gas. And I told you the examples of solids, liquids, and gases. And also I asked you to write examples, at least 5 examples for solid state substances, liquid state substances, and gaseous state substances. Only some of you sent examples. Remaining, what about the remaining students? You are not sent, so you try to send. Here, solid, liquid, and gas. Example of a solid substance is wood. Liquid substance is water. And gaseous substance is oxygen. Here, let me ask you one question. I said matter exists in three states. It doesn't mean all substances, all material exists in all these three states. For example, you take water. Water is a substance. It exists in how many states? Solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. For example, if you take solid, have you seen water in solid state? Water in solid state, it is nothing but ice. Ice. Water in solid state, ice. Next, have you seen water in liquid state? Every day we are taking water, we drink water, which is in liquid state. Therefore, liquid, water. Water in liquid state is water, that's all. Next, one more thing, gas. Have you seen water in a gaseous state? Have you seen? You see, a pressure cooker whistles. Why does it whistle? It whistles only when vapor comes out. Vapor has energy, it pushes the whistle up. And if you remove the vessel, what happens? You can see the gas that is coming out. What is the gas you have observed? It is nothing but water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor. Now, the same material, the same substance, water, exists in three states. Ice, an example for solid state, water, an example for liquid state, water vapor, an example for gaseous state. In the same way, can you find any other material or matter or substance that exists in all these three states? A single substance that exists in all three states. In all these three states. Okay. For example, you take candle wax. Candle wax. Have you seen candles? On Diwali festival, on the day of Diwali, we light a number of candles. When you celebrate a birthday, you what do you call fire? You light candles. Birthday candles, Diwali candles. So it is called candle wax. Candle wax. Have seen the candle wax? Candle, is it in solid state, liquid state or gaseous state? In which state it is present? Yes, it is present in solid state. Solid. Candle wax, solid state. And in the same way, when it is heated, when it burns, it turns into liquid state. Liquid wax, solid wax. You can see only two states of candle wax. It exists in solid state or in liquid state. In the same way, to take any other substance which is in solid state, whether it exists in a liquid state or in a gaseous state. So, and in the same way, if you write by taking an example, solid, liquid, gas. Solid, liquid and gas. Water is in an example of solid state water is ice. An example of liquid state water is water. Here gaseous state of water is water vapor. Water vapor. Water vapor. What is the reason for this substance water that exists in different states? It is in solid state, liquid state and gaseous state, which makes it change its state, which makes ice to change into liquid and liquid into vapor. That is heat. That is heat. If you heat solid, it is converted into liquid. Or again, when liquid is heated, it is converted into gas. And in the same way, when gas is cooled, what happens? It is converted into liquid. When liquid is cooled, it is converted into solid. This is called change of state. Change of state. Change of state. Change of state occurs due to by two things. One is by increasing temperature or by decreasing temperature. Increasing temperature means heating. Decreasing temperature means cooling. So, a substance can change its state either by heating or by cooling. For example, we have taken ice. Ice on heating goes into liquid state. Liquid on heating goes into vapor state. Again, gas, that is vapor, on cooling becomes water, and water on cooling becomes a solid. From this, it is clear that a substance that exists here, water, changes its state by change of temperature. Change of temperature means either by increasing temperature or by decreasing temperature. Next. Now you write a number of substances that you come across in your daily life. For example, you remember air. You write air. Air is a substance. You write against this one gas. Air is in gaseous state. You write wood. Then solid state. Petrol. Liquid state. Coal. Solid state. In this way, you write not less than 20 examples, 20 substances and their state. You write candle wax. What do you write? Solid. You write coconut oil, liquid. You write hydrogen, gas. In this way, you write 20 examples. Don't forget. You write 20 substances and their states. So, this is today's class. Stay home, stay safe.